$548.60 in my first 24 hours promoting this affiliate product. In this video, I'm going to document exactly what I did and how you can replicate this. And the best part about this is we're not going to be using a website, so we don't need any landing page builder. We don't need a camera. We're not going to be producing any videos or any content and posting that anywhere. You can do this over and over again if you'd like to, and you can do this off your mobile phone, which is very powerful. And make sure to watch until the end of this video so you can get into the $10 competition for today's video. But without further ado, let's get straight into the strategy. And also, my name is Jay, and I'm very passionate in documenting my journey on this channel on making money online, so you can get exclusive insight into that, whether you want to make an extra side hustle income from home, from online, from the office, or from the beach, or wherever you want to be while traveling, earning an extra income or earning a main stream of income online. Hopefully you can learn the most possible and get as much as insight as possible with my daily videos on how to make money online. So if you want to get the latest tips, tricks, and strategies on how to make money online, make sure to subscribe down below with that bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But let's get straight into it. So as the title of the video says, we are going to be using Google Translate and Gmail, just like I did, to make these kind of commissions online. So the first step is, and the step one is actually going to go hand in hand with the last step, so it's important that you watch this and understand each step in order for this to work. You want to come over to Google Translate. So just type in Google Translate. So as we all know, when we are searching something on Google, most of the time it is English orientated or English based. So for example, if I search make money online, I'm in South Africa, I don't always see what other people are posting from around the world. So for example, what you can do is, since I'm in the make money online leash, we're going to set our detect language to obviously English in this case. And then for the language that we want to translate to, let's take, for example, Italian. So let's just type in make money online or how to make money online. And this is actually one of the hidden tricks or secrets that I use to learn about the different make money online techniques and strategies in different countries around the world so that I can apply them and make the most money online. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this language that you've chosen. For example, Italian. It could be German, it could be Slovakian, it could be any language that you like. In this case, I'm just using Italian as the example. You want to come to Google and you want to paste this new term in Italian into Google. And this obviously right here is how to make money online in Italian. So as you can see right here, now there are tons of different searches, but instead of English searches, it's now tons of different Italian searches and Italian websites or strategies or ways on how to make money online. So you can do this in German, Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, you name it, you can do this with every language possible. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down and open up one of these articles and find different ways to make money online in Italian or in Italy in this case. So you can see this example over here. I'm going to open this new page in a new tab or a new window. I'm just going to put that here. And here you can see these look like these are 35 different steps on how to make money online. And quite simply, all you want to do is you will see at the top of this browser bar over here, there's like a little Google Translate icon. You can see if you click on that, there's going to be Italian and English. All you want to do is click on English so you can translate this page. You can now see how to make money 35 ways. It's just in English, so now it's easy for us to understand. And you can see right here, earning money on foreign exchange, taking home at auction, go to class with the rich. And you can't believe the amount of amazing websites that I have found from around the world. For example, like here's a website here on how to make money online using the different languages, finding different opportunities in platforms in the different countries using their different languages. It is really a crazy way to find amazing ways to make money online. So this is the first step. We are going to need this article that we are going to use for the free traffic method that we are going to use later in this video, which is super important. So make sure to keep watching for that. And then from here, we need something to make money online. Now, I believe there are three main ways of making money online. It's either selling something, whether it's a product, or selling a service, the second way of making money online, or number three is selling a course or providing content and monetizing that content through ads, through sponsorships. Those for me are the three main ways of making money online. Now what we need to do is we need to go and find an offer. And I found the perfect offer that this will work for us. And it's the exact offer that I used. So I'm actually going to provide you with two platforms. This is my dashboard over here. The first one, if you come to the affiliate marketplace over here, you come to clickbank.com and you come over to affiliate marketplace and you put Crestani in the search bar, it's going to pop up with John Crestani's super affiliate system. So this is an entire course that teaches people how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and you're going to get $548.60 every sale that you make. However, now ClickBank, it's not available in every country in the world, but don't worry, I've got you. What you can also do is you can come over to a website called digistore24.com, which is a ClickBank alternative where you can become an affiliate for different products, and this is worldwide. So if you come over to the marketplace over here, up top you can see marketplace. It'll look like this. Just come to the search name or the product name, type in Crestani, click on search, and here you can see is his product over here. Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. All you're going to do is sign up on this website, click on promote now. You just need to sign in and your affiliate link will pop up here. You can then copy that, and when people click on that link and they purchase this course, you're going to get a commission, in this case of $548.60. And just quickly, for those of you who are completely new to affiliate marketing is where people are listing their products, in this case John Crestani's course, and they will pay you every commission, and they will pay you for every sale that you make to their course, kind of as a reward or a commission. So for example, this course might cost $1,000. You're getting 50% commissions, in this case at about $548. So that's what I love about ClickBank. It is so powerful. You can make one sale and you can make hundreds of dollars on a daily basis. For example, $500 a week, that's one sale a week, is about $2,000 a month, which is enough to live independently on. So you don't only have to use John Crestani's course. You can come over to the marketplace, and in this case, since we've chosen the Make Money Online niche, come over to the marketplace again. You will see all the different categories on ClickBank. Come over to e-business and e-marketing over here. Click on that, double click on it, it will open up with this page over here. So here you can see tons of different products and courses related to Make Money Online. For example, Perpetual Income, Blockbuster Home Business Offers, ClickBank University, the 12-minute affiliate system, and if I scroll down some more, you can see here is actually John Crestani's super affiliate system on the #1 page of ClickBank. So it's doing really well. It's quite a popular product right now, which means it's selling a lot, which is a good thing, which means the course is obviously working for a lot of people, so a lot of people are wanting to buy this course. So then all you're going to do is you're going to click on promote over here. It's going to pop up with a tab like this. You can see your account nickname. Click on generate hop links, and here you can see this is your unique affiliate link. Just to show you, if I copied this, pasted this in a new tab, so when people come to this link, you are going to get $548 for every sale that is made through this course. So now, just to confirm, we have our 35 ways on Make Money Online. We have our offer where we're going to earn $548.60, and now we need to put this together, which is going to be step number 3, and that's going to be setting up a brand new Gmail account. So I've signed up this new Gmail account. All you want to do is come over to the settings bar over here on the top. You want to click on that, and it's going to take you to a page like this where you can see your settings. So you've got language, phone numbers, undo sends, send and archive, images, all of that. And if you come down to the bottom, this is what we are going to use, and this is how we're going to get a lot of commissions for this. Vacation responders. And what I really like about this, all you need to do is set this up once. You can walk away, you never have to respond or talk to anybody, and you will constantly see commissions coming in from this on autopilot. So this is how we're going to make money with this. For your subject, you want to type free training to make money from home. And for the plain text and the body of the email, you want to have this. If you want to learn a powerful affiliate marketing system that made me $500 commissions my first day. The reason why I'm saying this is because it made me $548 in just 24 hours on August the 18th. And then you want to say, and this works worldwide. So this works for anybody, and people will understand this is worldwide, which gives this pretty much unlimited sales opportunity. And then you want to have click on this link to take the free training, and then the link to your affiliate link. So I just use bit.ly to shorten my long affiliate link. It is a long, ugly affiliate link. When people see this kind of link, it looks very ugly. So you want to shorten it and make it something short and sweet so people will click on it. So what happens with this autoresponder? Every time somebody emails you to this email, this autoresponder is automatically going to send to them, or is automatically going to reply to them with this. So you don't need to reply to anybody, you don't need to manually email people to do this. This is going to be one setup autopilot system. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're going to get a ton of people using completely free traffic, so we're not spending money on any ads or anything like that, to constantly email this email and get into this free training, which then hooks them and upsells them into this course, where you're going to get 500 plus commissions for each sale that you make. So now that we have our product, we have our 35 ways to make money online, we have our email account set up, now I'm going to show you how we're going to put all of this into action and start seeing amazing commissions from this and getting a lot of people to email this account and to constantly get into this free training via our affiliate link. So what I really like about this as well, you're not going to get any posts or any affiliate links or anything banned on any of these social media websites. This all works and is a great organic way of getting affiliate sales with this. So the first out of the two platforms that you want to come to is Quora.com. Now before you click off, this is going to work because nothing is going to get banned. You're not posting any links on this website. You're not posting a link to any article or any affiliate link that gets banned. This is just going to be valuable text that you're going to provide to people, and this is how you're going to get sales from this. So what you want to do is come to the search bar of Quora. You want to search something related to the article and offer that you've chosen. In this case, best ways to make money online. Click on enter, and here you can see tons of different communities with tens of thousands and thousands of different members in these communities on how to make money online. But ideally, what you also want to do is you want to scroll down here by time, and you want to filter by the past hour. So you want to filter by the latest posts on Quora. So for example, let's just rechange the search bar to how to make money online. We click on enter again. Let's filter this by the past hour. Here you can see, how can I make money online at 15 in Italy? You know what's funny? It's even funny that my post that I used was in Italian, so that kind of works out perfectly. I'm going to open this up in a new tab, and why you want to do this is because you want the latest questions. You want fresh people that are looking for ways to make money online, because obviously if this was posted like a day or two ago, these people are looking for ways to make money online. So you're also targeting traffic that is literally looking for the exact product that you have for them. So open up a couple of these. How does Facebook make money? How can I make money? So let's use this one in the Italian group. What you want to do is you want to click on the answer button over here, so it will pop up with this little credit box or answer box where you can type in text and you can type in anything and reply to people and give your answer. So what I really like about this becomes completely passive, because people will see your responses for a very long time after you post this. For example, if you post this now, a year later someone could still see your answer and you could still be getting sales from this. So what you need to do for your answer is you need to kind of come back to this article that you found over here, and you kind of need to build your own little response, provide some value, and then recommend to people, if you want a free training on how I make money online, email me here. So you're kind of telling people to message you personally and allowing you to help them completely for free, because it is a free training. Here you can see, for example, how to make money. Here are the 35 best ideas. It's hard to get rich by just working. The money is made by those who invent a successful site or business, who win the lottery or triumph in a reality show. It is no longer enough to be good at your job. You need to create a business, write a wave, respond to a need, guess a niche, and have courage and luck and dare. So we can use this as our response. We can copy this, come back to Quora, post here, and what we can also do is we can type in here, you are welcome to email me at my email if you'd like to get the latest way and training of making money online system with affiliate marketing. So I just put here, you're welcome to email me at my email that we set up with the automatic response or reply, and I'll send you the latest way and training of make money online system with affiliate marketing. So what I really like about this, you're giving value, you're telling people how can I make money online at 15 in Italy, and then you suggest you're welcome to email and connect with me and I will send you that free training. So what you can also do is you can copy this and also paste this at the beginning of your article in case some people don't read your entire answer. They will see this at the bottom and the top of this reply. Then what you can do is you can click on submit, and there we go. You can see there's no link to a website, so this post doesn't get banned. You're just recommending people to email you and connect to you, and then your auto response is going to send this auto response that we set up earlier. So what you can also do is you can come over to Reddit and you can do the same thing. You can type in make money online and you want to do the same thing, go to Make Money Online communities in Reddit. For example, let's go look for communities and users. Here you can see Make Money Online, R Work Online, Make Money Online Guide, Beer Money Entrepreneur. So you want to open up all of these Reddits that are regarding Make Money Online, and what you can do is you can go comment, reply to some of the posts that are getting a lot of engagement. For example, this one here, software tester, what's your main phone or iPhone? You can comment here, get to all experts in sharing their knowledge and earning extra income. You can go and reply to all of these people and provide value, recommend that they can email you and let them reach out to you, so the auto response will do all the hard work for you. So that is how you can get a ton of people to email you, just like a lot of people are emailing me on a daily basis and seeing constant commissions like I saw on ClickBank lately. So also, at the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I was going to do a $10 giveaway. What I want you to do is, if you want to win this $10 giveaway, count how many times I said the word Google throughout this video. That's from second number 1 all the way to the end, including this one that I just said. First person to comment down below how many times I said the word Google will win $10 straight to the PayPal account. I will pin that comment and I will reply to that comment asking you for your PayPal. And also comment down below what you think the answer is, even if you give it a shot anyway. What I'll do is, and I'll reply to your comment anyway, just as a thank you for watching my videos and supporting my videos, and some love back to you. It's just my best course, free course, completely free information, or more of like a free video course that I paid $80 for. I'll reply with a direct download link to that, so that you can go and get that and get some value from that as well. So without further ado, make sure to go leave your comments and also leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that, so that you can get your free giveaway. But on the screen above, I will also leave a link to my affiliate marketing playlist, where you can get even more free value on affiliate marketing and getting tons of commissions and value from that. All of this is for free. None of this is some upsell to some $2,000 course. I'm providing free videos here on YouTube, earning minimum revenue on YouTube, as I'm very fortunate enough to have a working business off of YouTube. But without further ado, make sure to go check out this playlist over here, and I'll see you soon.